Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. This is a wonderful moment that I'm sitting in a very wonderful and pleasant ambience, and it's office of Miss Sampark office, and it's really beautiful ambience I'm receiving. Well, brand starts with this. Let's start with the storytelling. Why not? Because branding, I'm talking art of branding. So today's topic is art of branding, and I just listen. I think Hindi and English will do. Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Because my some memories are there, and I really want to share all these memories, which is related to brand. And every person will be having some memories, childhood memories, and different memories, and which are very connected to the brand and the art of branding. So let's. I take you to the journey of my childhood. What happened in my childhood? Exactly on 4 o'clock, एक कुल्फी बेचने वाला आता था. कुल्फी बेचने वाले बहुत सारे आते थे, दिन भर जाते थे, लेकिन एक कुल्फी वाला मेरे जहन में आज तक है. और अगर मैं उस कुल्फी वाले की बात करूं तो उस कुल्फी वाले को हर व्यक्ति जो माय होम टाउन इज हिंगन घाट, सो हिंगन घाट में रहने वाला हर बंदा उसे पहचानता है और जानता है. 4 बजे का समय, लाल कलर के कपड़े में उसकी कुल्फियां रहती थी, और जो क्या कहते हैं उसे, लोखंड के इसमें रहती थी ना कुल्फियां, जमती थी उस कुल्फियों के साथ में. व्हाट वाज डिफरेंट इन हिज पर्सनालिटी? सो ही वाज अ बल्की पर्सन, और 4 बजे उस घंटी बजाता था और आवाज देता था, ढारी वाला, ढरा ढरा ढारी वाला. एंड द पीपल कम्स विद दिस ढारी वाला साउंड एंड बाय कुल्फी फ्रॉम दिस पर्सन. So if I think most of the people might be from Nagpur. So अगर मैं बात करूँ कि नागपुर में, I want this thing very interactive session. So if I ask any questions, kindly please unmute your mic and just respond me. If I do remember, if I ask you कि बेस्ट समोसा कहाँ आपको खाने को पसंद आएगा, and which is the favorite samosa in the नागपुर, कहाँ मिलता है, या फिर मैं कहूँ कि तरी पोहा आपको कहाँ मिलता है, आप कौन सा तरी पोहा खाना पसंद करेंगे, तो आपके जहन में जरूर यकीनन आएगा कस्तूरचंद पार्क का पोहा. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स. जब हम बात करते हैं तो आप अपने शहर के इर्द गिर्द, अराउंड योर सिटी, इन योर सिटी, विद इन योर सिटी लिमिट्स, आप बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स को देखते हैं. नाउ नेल्सन सर्वे कहता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेल्सन सर्वे, 59% कंज्यूमर वांट्स टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट्स फैमिलियर टू दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. और आज अगर बात करें द आर्ट ऑफ ब्रांडिंग में, हम लोग बात करेंगे नाउ टुडे इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ द ब्रांडिंग इज पर्सनल. लाइक द फिल्म्स यू वॉच, if you want to watch the film, you want to see the review first, because जिसने वो आपके इर्द गिर्द में जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स है, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आपको क्या बता रहे हैं, उस पर आपके कंज्यूमर का माइंडसेट डिपेंड करता है. So coming back to some technical points, because everybody is the entrepreneurs, startups, own करने वाले लोग हैं यहाँ पर. So I just want to tell you, the products and the brands are two different things. What is a product? Product is an entity, and brand is the perception about your brand in your mindset. So product is a physical, might be the physical thing or the concept. But what is the brand? Brand is the perception about that particular product in your mind. So if I say Apple might be the Apple is the brand, and the computer and the mobile phones are the products. So according to the Nelson, so how to get that art of branding? कैसे हम लोग इस art of branding को ये करें? So there are different technical things around it कि art of branding में हम क्या क्या चीज करेंगे. My favorite piece of advice to everybody who is owning the business, that they just not do the business which gives you the massive growth. and they should, the entrepreneurs and they should build the brand. So how to build the brand? Now we will go to the things that the brand is not just a logo or advertising. Brand is not just a full page advertisement full of the jingles are playing on the radio station and everywhere. So Haldiram, if I consider the example of the Haldiram in our early days, they never used to advertise. They make awareness about their brands, but definitely they don't advertise much, but they have a brand value. So how will you earn the brand value? Brand, you have to first, the step one is the discovery of the purpose and the promises you do to the consumers. That is very important. And if you want to create the brand value of your particular product, you have to understand that you have to first discover yourself. It is very spiritual process in a way. What is the spiritual process? When you want to think, when we personally think about ourselves, we have to think, the golden circle, that what, how, and why. So these are the three questions you have to ask every time for the person. So when you are asking this golden circle three questions, that what, how, and why. So you have to ask the same questions to when you are starting any brand or the startups. What is the motive? What is the motive of your business? What is the purpose of your business, and why you are starting this? So brand always get popular, or brand gets their value when they have a purpose. The meaningful means every life should have a meaning. That thus this way every brand should have the meaning to the purpose to serve. Then and then only you can get the brand value. So you have to first ask the three golden questions: what, how, and why. These are the three golden questions, and you whenever you are starting. Now if we go into the detail of the branding and art of the branding, there are so many things happening. Everybody knowing, because you people are entrepreneurs, so I feel that you already started your startups, you have doing already businesses. Like, what are the things you have done? The major things are there, major things are that you started गुमास्ता बना लिया, अगर वो पर्सनली है तो, अगर कंपनी रजिस्टर करा ली है, लोगो आपने ये कर लिया, उसके फॉन्ट्स आपने डिसाइड कर लिए हैं, उसके कलर कॉम्बिनेशन डिसाइड कर लिए हैं, वो क्या बिजनेस करना है वो डिसाइड कर लिया, आपका प्रोडक्ट डिसाइड कर लिया है. Everything is the procedure you have to follow. But if you want to create a brand, what you have to do, how you have to gain the art of branding. The first thing, purpose. The purpose is important. Now the traditional ways are there. If the interesting, it has a very brand creation has very interesting branding procedures, or they followed most of the brand. But these brands are more popular, which has the purpose. They discover the purpose and the promises, what they are doing to the consumers. The relationship between the consumer and the company creates the brand. Actually, so you should be loyal. Any entrepreneurs, that entrepreneur or that startup should be loyal to their consumer. What the promises they are delivering, what they are, the benefits they are giving to the consumers, these are very important. So branding or the brand is the perception. Whether products can be delivered in the company, that can be created in the company, but the brand get created in the minds of the consumers. So if I'm taking to the journey, back journey of your branding. Understand the art of branding is from generations to generation, which ancient. आप अगर caves में कभी गए हैं, अगर आपने गुफाओं में आप अगर गए हैं, तो आपको गुफाओं में stories लिखी हुई दिखाई देती है. अगर हमारी जो जर्नी है वहां से स्टार्ट होती है ब्रांडिंग की. ब्रांडिंग इज नॉट अबाउट द लोगो एंड ऑल. ब्रांडिंग स्टार्ट्स विद दैट. इफ यू रिमेंबर, 1000 years happened, they went on, but you remember Ram, you remember Krishna, you remember all the mythological characters. How they passed on the message, and how the story, so earlier, when there were no canvases, no paints, no brushes, no other things, no social media, how they used to brand their product or brand the stories or brand the personalities. So caves used to have the carving sculptures, and they had the stories to tell. Even then, the temples used to happen. The temples, you can see there's certain carvings used to be there. There's stories used to be there. So these stories used to travel from mind to mind, right? So this were the branding happened. This started that way. They started promoting their personalities. They started promoting their stories. They started promoting their products. They, that way. So if you start now the journey, came across your window to window. Now the digital era has come. So how the digital era, what are the brand? Yeah. So that ancient way of branding. So then you come. Now we will start with the 70s, 80s ka branding, and then now this is a digital. After post COVID, the ways of brandings are different. Brand making, but the one thing has not changed, which I'm emphasis on. That is the purpose of the brand, promises of the brand to the consumer. The company promises to the consumer that close your minds, close your eyes, and just remember. If I say Jhandu, automatically you will say balm. If I say toothpaste, you will say Colgate. Jab baki, when there were no other competitors, there are no other brands, Pepsodent, you used to remember toothpaste means Colgate. There's no, in fact, you were not saying toothpaste, you will say Colgate. Colgate is the synonym for the brand. Now this is the brand value. When you are, your product is, behind your brand, and that is your brand value is in your consumer's mind. That is called the brands actually. So these are some examples if you remember. But the now recent time, I think I have to much talk on the more emphasis on the today's branding procedures and today's branding ways of branding, right? And I think everybody knows that what we should do, but everything. What makes you different? Yes. Is there anything? I should carry on. So what is the brand? Brand is the customer's overall perception of your business. And though the founder of Amazon says, Jeff Bezos says कि it is better. ये बात अक्सर आपको बुजुर्ग आपके घर में अक्सर कहते होंगे कि आप तब सक्सेसफुल है जब आप नहीं है उस रूम में और आपके बारे में अगर तारीफ हो रही है और आपके बारे में बात की जा रही है, मतलब आपने अपनी ब्रांड वैल्यू क्रिएट की है. The same thing which has been talked or which has been said by our elder people always, उन लोगों की वही एकदम वही बात जो Amazon के फाउंडर कहते हैं about brand is that कि the people the people are saying about your brand when you are not present in that room, and when that time you have created the brand value. So brand is your reputation. Now you have to consistently build the reputation. Now we will come to the today's era, that why it is important and what are the ways to create the brand. And now art of branding, what will be the different things in the art of branding? Because see, what is the art? Art, you love something, it has the aesthetic values. Every art is having aesthetic values. आपका विजन किस तरह है उसको देखने का, आपके प्रोडक्ट को, आपके कॉन्सेप्ट को देखने का नजरिया कैसा है, उस नजरिए के साथ में आपके पास में एस्थेटिक वैल्यूज है क्या, एस्थेटिक वैल्यूज के साथ में आप अपना ब्रांड के साथ में कंज्यूमर को सर्व कर रहे हैं क्या, इन सारी चीजों को आपको देखना पड़ेगा। और उस देखने के लिए आपको मेजरली 3 चीजों पर काम करना होगा। One is the brand strategy, second is the brand identity and third is the brand marketing. लेकिन हम अगर एक मोटा मोटी एक भूल करते हैं, चूक करते हैं, that is the major mistake is the brand marketing is, according to us, is the branding. The brand marketing is all the things that you and me knows. Like what the brand strategies, you have to first emphasis on the strategies of the brand. You have to understand the promises, purposes and how you have to make the blueprint. जैसे घर बिना नक्शे का नहीं बन सकता, वैसे ही कोई बिजनेस को स्ट्रेटजीज के बिना आप नहीं बना सकते हैं। तो आपको ब्रांड क्रिएशन के लिए आपके दिमाग में, आपके जहन में, जैसे एक चित्रकार के दिमाग में एक, जब when I'm saying art of branding, you have to understand it is like a painting. Your brand creation is like a painting for a painter. So you have to imagine the brand strategies. You have to imagine, how the universe is going to react on your product and the brand. You have to make all this possible strategies, brand strategies, which includes brand discovery, which I already told you that the brand discovery, that is golden question: what, why, and how. These are the golden questions you have to ask, 3 golden questions, and then you have to discover the brand. Secondly, competitor research. It comes under the brand strategies. If you have to start any business, anything, you have to first research the competitors. Now you must be knowing that किसी बिजनेस की लिमिटेशन ये दूसरे बिजनेस की अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकती है। लाइक इंस्टाग्राम की स्टोरी आपको पता होगी। इंस्टाग्राम किसी एक सोशल मीडिया की लिमिटेशन से स्टार्ट हुआ एक प्रोडक्ट है, जहां पर Instagram started their business. So you have to also understand and do the proper research on the competition, that who are the competitors and how you have to start it. Thirdly is the target audience. I'm talking comes under the brand strategy. The brand strategies, again I'm repeating, is the brand strategies when you are starting any business, when you have wanted to start any you want to create a brand, then you have to want 3 things, that the brand strategies, brand identity, and third is the brand marketing. Brand strategies includes brand discovery, secondly competitor research, third is the target audience, and fourth is the brand voice, and fifth is the brand message and story. Now I will elaborate these points. That's the target audience. If you want to create, if your product is for the children, then you have to decide your target audience according to your product, whom you're catering to. You have to understand who are your consumers, and accordingly you have to cater to the market, and you have to create the awareness around it. So target audience is very important. I have a beautiful story I know about the adult chocolates. Everybody knows that the chocolates are meant for the children, and the children are fond of chocolates. But one foreign brand, I don't remember the name of the brand, but one brand wanted to create the chocolate for adults. But when they were doing the research, and the competitor research was because competitor research was that every chocolate was meant for children. No chocolate was available for the adults. Then the company wanted to create the brand around the adult chocolate, and they wanted to create the product for the adults, and that was the chocolates, and they created. Now their target audience is shifted from the children to the adults. Now what should be the means, then they had done the R&D, research and development, that what should be the things. Now they have to, then there comes the psyche of the society. Now as they wanted to start the chocolates for the adults, but it was a task. You have to create the awareness around it, because the adults are not fond of, they like the chocolate, but they are not fond of chocolates as children are. But the adults chocolates, they must be having their own characteristics. They developed the characteristics of the chocolates, and then they started promoting that way, because adults are having the child within us, and they have to moments to celebrate, and accordingly they made an awareness around the adult chocolates. And so the target audiences are very important. Target audiences are different as per the product and the concept of the business or the things. Now brand voice. Brand voice is very important. Like you can see the Sampark's logo. Brand message and story is also important. What you want to tell through your brand, that is very, very important. If you study the logos of the brands and the major brands, they are not just logos. They have the story and the message to deliver. And when you are starting any brand, there should be a message and the story to deliver. That is very, very important when you are starting any brand. So brand voice is generally, brand ambassadors are meant for that. You might be aware of this, that whenever they are taking the brand ambassadors, they judge the persona, right? What persona they have. If I'm Vidya Balan is doing Kesh Kala, I think this hair oil ka advertisement. So whenever they are taking the brand ambassadors on board, they are relating. There should be the relatability to of the ambassador to the brand. There should be the co-relationship. There should the persona define. The persona must define. Persona of the ambassador must define the brand value. So brand voice is also important. Now the brand message and story. आप Amazon का अगर logo आप देखेंगे, तो then there is a underline, like there is a arrow. It starts with the A and it ends with the Z. Means there's delivering or catering from A to Z. So they have stories. Every brand is having their own stories to tell, right? So that is very important, that the brand discovery, it comes under the brand strategy, and that comes with that is brand discovery, competition research, target audience, brand voice, brand message and story. Now the elements. What are the elements for these things? Logo, color and fonts, website design, content, advertisement, print and packaging. These are the elements. These are not the branding. These are the elements of the branding. So majorly the things I just discussed, these are the strategies, or these are the things of the branding. So what is the formula of the branding then? क्या किस तरह से रेसिपी होनी चाहिए ब्रांड की? आर्ट ऑफ ब्रांडिंग अगर सीखना है तो व्हाट शुड बी द रेसिपी? देन द रेसिपी विल बी द पॉजिटिव इमेज प्लस स्टैंडिंग आउट is equal to brand success, and that is this is the simple formula. So what you have to do basically, now these are some technical things I discussed, because I think this is very important, but the majorly important is the positive image about the brand. You have to you must be aware about the Maggi. If you do the case study of the Maggi, you might be knowing that in the meantime the Maggi got the very ill name. They started getting very bad names न्यूज में काफी आना शुरू हुआ. Then they replanned the revisited their strategies, and they made the proper awareness around it. So you have to create the unique value. Brand building requires the strategies, and innocence too, because I think any business starts with the innocence, because the passion any brand comes with the passion. If you see any story of the great brands, you will see they want to say, or they want to deliver, they want to serve for that, and that way the brands came, and that way they started their journeys, and they are now the biggest brands in the society. Now, revisiting your strategies, revisiting your brand planning, marketing is very important. Now, brand identity creation, which I just covered these things. Now, brand marketing. Brand marketing, which comes, different platforms are there. So you can say print, hoardings, radio, television, social media. These are the marketing tools, right? Where you're making your brand, you're taking your brand to the people and the consumer. But the first and important marketing, what is that? If you fulfill the promise to the consumer and you fulfill the purpose, then the word of mouth, the consumer to consumer, that is the best branding, and it happens. And with the most of the cases, I just remember what happens now when you don't fulfill the brand, purpose of the brand. I have a case study of Vico. When we met with the Vico and we were strategizing some plannings for the Vico, one question came across our table, and that was we were planning for the radio campaign for Vico. Vico said that they have a great brand value, but they don't have the sales, right? In certain states. Which are the certain states they don't have the brand value? They have the brand value, sorry. They have the great brand value, but they were not having the great sales in certain states. So then we had a great discussion on, and when we come to know that this brand value was bigger, but the sales value was lesser. Because the brand value, then we came into the roots of the brand awareness. If you see, the Vico as a brand is very popular in Maharashtra and some states of Uttar Pradesh. This brand is very much popular, but they didn't get the good response in Gujarat or some other states. So when this created the brand, Mrunal Kulkarni was the brand ambassador, right? And the ethos and the theories to the brand was very regional. So you have to see the psyche of the society is important. The geographical condition of the brand is very important. So every brand means like when it starts with their local to global. When it comes, there should be there are certain geographical things, right? Vico started in Maharashtra, right? The brand ambassador was Mrunal Kulkarni, Vico Turmeric, Nahi Cosmetic. So it was very popular in Maharashtra with the geographical conditions, right? But then they shifted their planning, they re-strategized, rethought on, they done the rethinking on that, and they come across that now Alia Bhatt is the face. But see, if Alia Bhatt is the face of the brand, will it be worthy or will it be equally popular in South? Probably not, because the influencer matters. So in the strategies we discuss the brand voice, brand things are very important. So when we are planning the brand marketing, we have to understand the art within the brand marketing, right? So you have to think certain things. When you're painting, you have to understand that which is the canvas, which are the colors, which are the brushes, and which are the tools basically to paint the painting. That way, when you are planning your the awareness campaign around your brand, and you're strategizing your brand marketing policies, you have to understand and you have to study all the tools properly. And then you have to consider your target audiences, your psyche of the society, your product ethos and the policies of the product, and then you have to deliver it. Now in the time of social media, you have to continuously start talking about the product. And in the radio, because I belong to the radio, and I much I'm long time I worked in radio. So what is the radio? If I think about the radio as a medium, radio is a medium of brand awareness, and radio works when there is a hammering. So what happened when any technology comes, it comes with the study of your human brain, right? So I'm talking about now, I'm just switching to my topic, to the brand marketing, and that's why I'm saying that when the brand marketing happens, you have to think about the technologies, right? So if I see and any technology, when it comes with the research and the in-depth study of the human brain, human body, right? So how it comes? It comes with the things that our eyes, that visual impact, right? Our ears for the audible impact, right? It takes the messages to our brain. We read, we watch, we see the visuals, we listen to the things. Now newspaper advertisement, the traditional advertisements, because early days any brand marketing used to happen after word of mouth. It used to happen through the advertisements. It used to happen with the hoardings, not exactly hoardings, but some things written on their walls and on their shops and all. So it used to be happen. So reading, your eye brain contact with the brand awareness. The second thing is that then it comes slowly. Magazines, they used to publish the advertisements, and then the hoardings. Now audio visual, then the television comes after radio. So radio creates the passive impact. When the radio creates, because when you watch the television, you need all the focus, right? When you listen to radio, you listen passively. You're doing some work and you are listening to radio as well. So radio creates passive impact, means the message goes in your brain in such manner that it comes in your subconscious mind. But when it is in your subconscious mind, it needs hammering, right? So radio, that's where radio creates the brand awareness strongly and passively, and it goes into your subconscious mind. But there should be a hammering, that's why the number of spots are very important in radio, that the radio creates the awareness subconsciously in your mind. Then what happens, if you see and understand the medium of brandings, you will understand the psyche of the consumers as well for any product. So what happens when influencer based marketing came, and you see our RJs talk about the social issues, about they create the place in the consumer's heart, right, and their lives also. And after creating the space in consumer and listeners' heart and lives, they started influencing them for purchasing the products as well, right? So influencer marketing. So when radio came, radio comes along with the influencer marketing. And then the influencer marketing in the era of digital era, influencer marketing is very, very important aspect. And you have to use the social medium, or you have to utilize all the mediums and the tools around you to create your brand. Because now जैसे कल का अखबार जो है वो आज जैसे ही आ जाता है आपके मॉर्निंग में, 2 घंटे 12 बजे तक वो अखबार पुराना हो जाता है, राइट? द स्टोरीज और अखबार की उसके कीमत वो रद्दी में बिकना शुरू हो जाता है जैसे अखबार आ जाता है. नेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट, क्योंकि आपका जो मैसेज है वो डिलीवर हो गया। लेकिन सोशल मीडिया में आपका मैसेज डिलीवर होने के लिए और उसको सेल होने के लिए, मतलब अखबार का एक समय तो है, लेकिन सोशल मीडिया में आपका मैसेज जब आपको डिलीवर हो जाता है उसके बाद में वो कई घंटों में बस उसकी वैल्यू खत्म हो जाती है। इसलिए सोशल मीडिया ऑल्सो नीड्स द कंटिन्यूअस एक्सप्रेशन और कंटिन्यूअस मैसेजेस थ्रू द ब्रांड। आपको पता है हर ब्रांड का एक पेज है और हर ब्रांड के देयर सोशल हैंडल्स, सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स है, एंड दे आर telling the stories, they are telling about their products continuously. So hammering about your brand and creating the perception about the brand is very important in the social media time. Now I will more focus on the influencer marketing. Influencer marketing, you see, I just started. When I started, you might be aware that you must remember that when I started, we all are with the influencer marketing. और रिसर्च भी कहता है कि 50 नेल्सन रिसर्च की जो आपके इर्द गिर्द लोग हैं वो अगर उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, चीजों के बारे में सही बोल रहे हैं तो हम वो प्रोडक्ट परचेज करना पसंद करते हैं। प्रोडक्ट या कॉन्सेप्ट, या फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने मूवी का दिया था, जो मूवी आप जिसका रिव्यू आजकल तो मतलब early days everybody used to go for the first day first show and then they used to decide the and also fate of the movie used to have पता चलता था, मतलब क्या नसीब है उसका। लेकिन अभी हम क्या करते हैं, अभी हम we read, we understand, we learn about the thing or products first and then we go and buy and purchase, right? So important, what is important? Important is to create the 360-degree stories around your brand on all the platforms. What the required platforms, I will rather say. You have to, when your brand strategies के बाद में जब marketing, brand marketing आप करेंगे तभी आपको अपने strategies और tools, आपके elements आपको जो mediums है आपको decide करने होंगे। So हर art का एक science होता है। Every art, though it's drama, though it's painting, drawing, though it's dance, though it's writing, anything, every art is having their own science. So when you are learning the art of branding, you have to also understand the science of branding. So because it automatically gives you the impact, understanding about the brand awareness, that should be important. That is very, very important, rather I will say. So whenever you want to create the brand, you have to revisit the thought process, that what you need, what the marketing tools you want to utilize. Now the marketing has been very, very cheaper in this era for the brand awareness. In the social media time, you have to create the perception about your persona, you have to create the impactful stories, and you have to tell the consumers about your ethos, about your policies. If you say now any product, now this era has come that you will see, पहले आपने almost देखे होंगे कि अंडरवेयर, मतलब जेंट्स अंडरवेयर की एडवर्टीजमेंट में भी आपने लेडीज को देखा होगा। what मुझे नहीं समझ में आया कि आज तक वहां पे क्या जरूरत है, but the era has changed. Now they have, means like every advertisement, if you see, every advertisement is having the strong message. आप और सोशल सर्विसेज की भी बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे आपने सर्फ एक्सेल की एड देखी होगी, या सो मेनी एड्स. सो दीज आर द कैंपेन्स created to create the awareness around your brand. So these are very, very important. You have to connect with the consumer, and India as a market is very sentimental market. it is not practical market. It is very sentimental market. If you create your brand around the sentiments of the society, it will definitely create the strong impact. So when you are understanding the art of the branding, you have to understand the psyche and the emotions of the society as well, because unless and until you don't understand the emotion of the society and the emotions of the consumers, you cannot sell your product. A product can be anything. So you have to certain products are connected with the luxury, certain products are connected with the humanity, certain products are connected with the loyalty. So these are the ethos you have to talk about, and this is called the branding. This is not a product, is not the branding, right? When Apple, if I showcase the Apple in every person, we don't buy Apple for the features, right? Features of the mobile we buy, though it is having the good features. They started with the giving the good features in the mobile phone by the Apple, but now Apple is the brand which is very much connected with the luxury. You buy the product for the showing the luxury, right? So these are the things. The science of the art of branding is very important. So I think समय समाप्ति का आदेश होने वाला है. उससे पहले मैं आपको ये जो हमारा सेशन था उसको थोड़ा सा ये करूंगी, सम अप करने की कोशिश करूंगी. आई वांट टू टेल यू, व्हेन देयर इज अ आर्ट ऑफ ब्रांडिंग, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड आर्ट इज अबाउट द परसेप्शन about your brand, and you have to create the perception again and again through the different mediums, right? And you have to rediscover your brand, and you have to understand the strategies, you have to understand the marketing strategies, brand identity, and also the formula I had given you for the brand. And I think सबसे बड़ी और इम्पोर्टेंट बात है, जाते जाते इतना ही कहना है मुझे कि when there is a brand or your life, the philosophy should be the loyalty towards your life and towards your product and the consumer, and that the promise should be fulfilled, and then only we can create the good brand. Personal हो, personality का हो, या फिर product का हो. Thank you so very much. आई थिंक जो ऑल द संपर्क के जो महानुभाव है, उन सभी को मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ. रूपा जी, राइट? रीत रूपानी जी, और जी श्रेयनाथ, या, और सभी का मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Anybody has any questions, they can ask. Madam is here. If you can post your questions in the chat box as well, so that.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So okay, now I feel that I should give vote of thanks. I am very extremely grateful to Madam Sonali ji, because with just only communication, she put trust on Sampark family, and I have not met her, even Kailash ji have not met her. We just talked with her on phone, and she gave her consent to deliver this presentation by putting the trust on the Sampark, which shows her loyalty as well, and honesty as well. And she gave very much brief. I'll give a brief which she has talked about the branding, that you should ask questions about what, why, and how, because every brand should have a meaning or purpose in it. Art of branding, for that purpose and promises we make to consumer, and we should be loyal to the consumer, which she mentioned in her ending, in the climax of this her speech as well. And branding creates an impression in the minds of consumers. She gave the examples of mythological characters like Ram, Krishna, whose message were carved in the caves, in the temples, and which are still in our memory, and we are very much inspired by the teachings and the life stories of our gods. After COVID, the methods of this branding has changed drastically. When we say about Bang, immediately Jhandu name comes into our minds. Similarly, when we talk about our toothpaste, Colgate's come into our mind. So, जब आप नहीं हो और आपकी सफलता की जब चर्चा हो रही है, तो उस मायने में आप कहेंगे कि भी वो सही प्रकार का ब्रांडिंग हुआ है करके, और वो हर क्षेत्र में लागू है, चाहे आप मार्केट प्रोडक्ट्स हो, बिजनेस हो, इवन आप मोदी जी देखो, तो जिस प्रकार से आज मोदी साहब आज पूरे भारत में छाए हैं या पूरे दुनिया पे आज उनका इतना बोलबाला है, तो वो एक ब्रांडिंग उन्होंने अपनी क्रिएट कर ली है. यस, सो व्हाट इज योर विजन फॉर लुकिंग एट दी प्रोडक्ट? आपका विजन क्या है? दैट इज मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. और she has talked about the brand strategy, brand identity, brand marketing. For creating brand, you need to have a blueprint as well, and competitiveness research you have to do every now and then. किसी के बिजनेस की लिमिटेशंस दूसरे बिजनेस की एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट भी हो सकती है. And you have to look at the target audience, the voice messages, what you want to tell through your brand is very much important. And she gave an example of Vidya Balan, who is doing hair oil ad, and her persona tells the message. Amazon, which has a logo of A to Z because it caters for all products. So elements of branding, she talked about the elements of branding, prints, ads and other things. Also the formula of branding she has given, which has that one should stand out, and she gave a case study of Maggie as well. Any business starts with innocence, patience, marketing tools, radio, TV, newspapers, word of mouth. It is very important. I feel that it is much more important because it directly hammers to the consumer. And startup brand, then you have to look at the psyche of the consumer is very important. Geographical conditions is also important, which Vico has used. When we are branding, we have to understand the need, ethos of the product. Radio creates a passive effect. It creates a strong impact awareness. Being an RGA, she knows what space it creates in the minds of the consumer as well. And I am extremely thankful to Sonali Nakshine madam, because I know how she is busy. Today morning she was having a session just after this session at 2 p.m. she will be having International Literary Orange City Festival, which and in spite of that, she in her busy schedule, she gave time to her. I know what time precious she is having. So I am, of course, with the COVID, we are having a digital session, but whenever this fear of COVID comes down, then we will have a physical one to meet, and we will call her in her meeting as well, and we will have direct session with her, so that because the confidence and which she has given the presentation is very much appreciating, and I extreme my gratefulness to Sonali ji ma'am, to Kailash bhai as well, Reet Rupani. I know both were at till 12 p.m. They were in the at Hotel Atmosphere for Diwali Milan, and in spite of that, when I saw with the same zeal and enthusiasm which Kailash ji, Reet Rupani is having, it's really encourages me as well, inspires me as well. And thanks to Shreya madam and everyone, and thank you for each and every one. Thank you very much.